Good evening, everyone. I pray you all are well and dry, staying dry out in this rainy weather. I just wanted to come on and tell you all about the Total Body Reset that's coming up December the 28th. It's on a Sunday. We'll have our first guest speaker that day. We'll go into 2 weeks of eating, well, removing meat, dairy products, white sugar, white flour, white salt, um, and seeded oils from our plates. Then we'll go into eating more of a plant-based um, eating style for the remainder of January. So it's time to get our bodies in line and ready for healing, a reset, by removing all those things that may hinder us from being the best that we can be. Not saying that you're not the best that you can be right now, but it's different when you really go in. Um, it's different, I must say. So I look forward to you all joining us. We have about three, close to four guest speakers. We'll see. We have a health coach coming on. We also have a farmer coming on who's also into health and wellness and healing, and so he has a lot of great information. And we also have someone coming on to teach us about sprouting some seeds and vegetables and whatnot. So I'm excited about that. I need to get back into it. I didn't have good luck. I'm sorry, not good luck, but I didn't have success. I didn't have success with sprouting once before. I've tried it quite a few times, and I guess I need a refresher and I guess a whole nother class on it so that I can get it down, because I really want to receive the benefits of those sprouted foods that we can have. So, yep, sprouting's coming up, and also we may have another chiropractor on. This is a different one. He's in the Orlando area as well. So we'll see what happens. So I look forward to you all joining us. We also do exercise sessions on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 6 a.m. This will help those who have to be to work at 8 or 7:30. I don't know, but it helps me as well doing it earlier. It was at 7 a.m., but now it's 6 a.m. And we can all, get a head start on exercising and have an energy boost for the day. And yeah, start our day out well with exercising. So I believe that's it. Okay, and the last Total Body Reset, we gave away prizes. We had 3 people. One person was the first to support, and she received a gift. Her name is Roseanne, and then the other person who did support on the WhatsApp by supporting each other. So supporting each other and sharing what she was doing in her meal plans and her plan for the day, and that was Sister Erica. And then the other person was the person who came to each Zoom meeting. So she got a gift, and that's Miss Paula. And then the last 2 people names were pulled out of a bowl by my mama, and it was Sister Lucilla and Sister Regina. So thank you all for being a part of Total Body Reset. And I don't know how it's going to work out this time as far as gifts. If we'll be pulling names, or if we'll, what we'll do about that this time. But prayerfully, we'll be able to do something. So donations are accepted. If you like to give donations, that would be great. It would help with the guest speakers, and also it would help me as well. So it's not required, but it is accepted. I will accept it. All right, thank you so much. I look forward to you all joining in. I had some people in my family this past week that weren't feeling so hot. So we all could use a reset, total body reset, because of all the things that's going on around us. If we can change some things that we're in charge of ourselves, that we can do ourselves, that would be a great help in keeping us healthy, keeping us functioning well in the mind and the body. So I pray that you all would join us. If you know someone who's interested, share this with them so that they can join us in working together, coming together, joining our Zoom meetings on every Sunday night at 7 p.m. Also, joining in on exercising Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 6 a.m. If you can't, there's also, I'll be posting the different exercises that we do. Usually it's the same one throughout, same routine throughout the whole week on video. So it's not so hard, but we like for you all to share whether you exercise with us or not, some type of activity you're doing throughout the week. It can be only one post, that's fine. And also too, we'll be sharing our meals, so you can share one post a week of your meals, 1 to 2 posts a week of your meals. And then the last Total Body Reset, I did meal plans. I share meal plans with everyone that they could follow if they wanted to, but this time you'll be making your own meal plan. So I'll send you a chart to fill it in as well. And we can still do the notes, notes that you can take on your own if you like. We'll see once everyone gets in. Well, I'll share that again. But this one, the last one was on physical activity and health, heart health, and exercise. So this one we're doing plant-based eating style, just moving towards transitioning into a plant-based eating style for the remainder of January. So that'll be our Total Body Reset this time, all about health and wellness, how to eat healthy and exercise, and also removing those things that could be toxic, whether it's cleaning supplies, whether it's shampoo, whether it's dish soap, whether it is lotion, whatever you use on your body. I was always told by someone else that I knew, that whatever we put on our body, we should be able to put in our mouths as well. Now, that's what she said. That was Miss Williams. But yes. All right. So you all have a great evening, and I pray to see you all tomorrow, because whoever wants to join us for exercise sessions tomorrow, we start tomorrow at 6 a.m. We've been doing it ever since the last Total Body Reset, I believe. I continue it. So whoever can join us, if you need the information, just send a message and I'll add you to the WhatsApp, or I'll send you the Zoom link to, and I won't be able to send it in Facebook, but I can send it by email or by your phone number. I can just text it to you. So, all right, you all have a great evening and enjoy your week, and reach out to me, please, so that you can join us and change some things that we're doing so that we can continue to be healthy. All right, you take care. Shalom.